Landslides and floods are two major natural disasters that cause human losses and economic damages in Malaysia. As for the last 10 years, floods have affected 342,526 people and caused an estimated $990 million worth of economic damages here in Malaysia. The increasing socio-economic damages and loss of lives caused by floods and landslides have triggered the Malaysian government to come up with an action plan to anticipate, plan for and reduce disaster risk in order to effectively protect human lives, local communities and the country. This initiative is taken up by universities, research institutions and government agencies through an international collaboration effort that was aided by the Malaysian Higher Education Ministry, MOHI, and the Japanese government through the Japan Science and Technology Agency, JST, and the Japan International Cooperation Agency, JICA, under the SATRAPS program. The research and development for reducing geohazard damage in Malaysia caused by landslide and flood is the first Science and Technology Research Partnership for Sustainable Development Program SATRAPS project in Malaysia. It is a 5-year collaborative research project between Malaysia and Japan under the leadership of University Science Malaysia USM and the University of Tokyo, headed by Professor Dr. Habibah Latif and Professor Dr. Hiroyuki Tosaka, respectively. This project is a collaboration between University Science Malaysia, Multimedia University, University Tenaga Nasional, the Public Works Department Slope Division, and the Department of Irrigation and Drainage (DID) from Malaysia, who worked closely with their Japanese counterparts from the University of Tokyo, Chiba University, Ibaraki University, International Center for Water Hazard and Risk Management, Kansai University, Kyushu University, National Research Institute for Earth Science and Disaster Prevention, Niigata University, Nippon Koei, Vision Tech Incorporated, and Kyoto University. The aim of this project is to propose an applicable early warning and risk management system for floods and landslides which can be used by relevant governmental agencies in Malaysia. 4 places in Malaysia have been identified as research sites for an early geohazard warning system for landslides. The first 2 of the landslide study sites are located along the East-West Highway in Greek Perak, while the other 2 are at Lake Kenyir Terengganu and Jeli, Kelantan. The Kelantan and the Dungun River Basin have been chosen as the research study areas due to the frequent flood occurrence throughout the years. The project runs on data collected through remote sensing technology, Geographical Information System, satellite observations, and on-site or field investigations. The collected data will be evaluated and used to create a disaster information database in order to establish an early warning system and a hazard risk map that aids in floods and landslides risk management. The Early Warning System, or EWS, is designed to disseminate alerts and warnings using real-time data for possible floods and landslides risk at a particular site. Apart from real-time, GET flows, IFAS, and landslide models were also developed in this project to predict the occurrence of floods and landslides. For flood, the hydrological stations installed will provide data into the server, and using the flood model, IFAS will produce hydrographs at the downstream areas for the early warning system within 3 hours. For landslides, Alert Level 1, to be cautious, Alert Level 2, preparing for evacuation, and Alert Level 3, evacuation, will appear on the hazard map and the residents' mobile phones. The alerts will be issued to the public or nearby residents by the authority in charge of disaster management, such as the National Security Council or the National Disaster Management Agency, the Department of Irrigation and Drainage, and the Public Works Department (JKR) via websites, short message services (SMS), television, and radio broadcasting. The integrated database that provides early floods and landslides warning system provides a complete evacuation plan that shows available nearest evacuation centers as well as the capacity and the resources available in each center. This information will help the related government agencies to organize a quick and safe evacuation plan for the local communities in the affected areas. The research team has produced videos on evacuation procedures to school children, published easy-to-carry manuals for landslides preparation, conducted landslides and flood awareness lessons for primary school children and indigenous students in Greek, and supply weather station kits for class activities. The output of this project is in line with the Public Works Department's master plan for slope management, with the development of an early warning system as well as instilling landslide awareness among local residents. Without doubt, this project truly endorses the benefits of international joint research between Japanese and Malaysian research institutions with the help of related government agencies in disaster management, especially in enhancing floods and landslides management capabilities that will benefit present and future generations. As remarked by the project director and the project leader, this project is important and useful to the local and government agencies in providing practical measures of warning and evacuation plan to improve the safety of the local residents and reducing economic losses.